Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to create a S3 bucket. So open AWS console, look for S3. This is our S3 service. Open general purpose bucket, create new bucket. There are two options, general purpose and directory. So we'll go with general purpose. Just create a name. Bucket. Sorry, it should be small letters. Bucket 2025 May 25. Just giving some random names. So if you have an existing bucket, you can just choose the bucket and upload it. So that bucket configuration will get synced with this one. So I'm just leaving ACL disabled and the public access disabled, bucket versioning disabled. I'm not adding any tags or everything. Encryption also default. Just creating the buckets. So my bucket got created. This is my bucket 2025 May 2025. So you can see the time when it was created. Just open this one. So we have objects. What are the objects? Once we open the bucket, we will see objects. Objects can be anything. Objects can be anything like PDF, Excel, audio file, video file. It's like an objects are the files which are we are uploading into the bucket. Okay, so I'm just uploading some objects. Click here, add file. There are few objects already available, so I'm uploading 5 objects. Say 5 different extensions. Uploaded. So add it and just upload. Now these 5 files or objects are uploaded to my bucket named bucket 2025 May 25. Okay, so in next video I'll show you how to access this from publicly, and we can host static website and permission, all things I'll share you in next video. Thank you.